Class 10, Chapter 1, Exercise 1, third problem. Check out the remaining problems in the playlist and also subscribe my channel. Third one, very important. Same problem there in 1.1 NCERT syllabus, question 4. Okay, for CBSE syllabus, this question only 1.1 exercise, fourth problem. Whereas in TS and AP syllabus, Telangana and state syllabus, AP syllabus 1.1, third one. NCERT, fourth problem. Now question, use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is of the form 3p and 3p plus 1. Third one, let a be any positive integer. This a be any positive integer means a plus value, and b is equals to 3. Two positive integers will be no. A will be any plus value and b is equals to 3. Then by Euclid's algorithm, a is equals to bq plus r, where 0 is less than or equals to r is less than b. The possible values of r. See, possible values of r means remainder. R means remainder. Possible values of remainder means less than b. B is equal to how much? 3. Less than 3 means what? 0, 1 and 2. Okay, less than 3. B value is 3. Less than 3 means what? 0, 1, 2. Now when r is equals to 0, first we will substitute 0. When r is equals to 0, then a is equals to bq. A, you can write here when r is equals 0, put r is equals 0, whatever it is, the meaning is correct only. When r is equals 0 means this r is equals 0, what will get? 3q plus r. No, r means what? 0. When r is equals 0, a is equals to 3q plus r. 3q plus where r is equals to what? 0. We are taking first value 0, 1, 2, 3 means 0, 1, 2 means 0, 1, 2. Therefore, we will take first value 0. Means r is equals to 0. Therefore, a is equals to 3q. Now squaring on both sides. For this, squaring on both sides. Squaring कर रहे हैं हम लोग both sides. Squaring చేస్తున్నాం both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Now a is equals to 3q. Squaring on both sides. Okay, we are squaring on both sides. Is equals to LHS a square only, where RHS 3 into 3 means 9q square. Okay, 9q square. Here a square LHS as it is I am writing. A square is equals to 9 means 3 into 3, no, 3 into 3q square I am writing. Okay, this total 3q square is equals to 3q square is equals to, I am taking k. Okay, or else k is equals 3q square also you can write your wish. LHS a square is equals to 3. This 3q square means k, means 3k. K means any positive integer. Okay, first one finished. When r is equals to 1, a is equals to, substitute in the formula, a is equals to 3q, a is equals to 3q plus r is equals to what? We are taking 1. R is equals to 1. In the place of r we should write 1. Okay, now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. हम लोग स्क्वायर कर रहे both sides. स्क्वेयरिंग చేస్తున్నాం both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides for LHS and RHS. Means a is equals to 3q plus 1. Okay, squaring on both sides. LHS side, RHS side. Okay, LHS side, RHS side, we are squaring. Now LHS as it is write down. LHS is a square as it is write down. but RHS in the form of a plus b whole square. Okay, a plus b whole square. This is the form of a plus b whole square. I'll write here formula once I'll prove. A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now see once a means what? A means 3q, a means 3q and b means 1. Okay, b is 1 means a square 3q square 3q whole square plus 3q whole square plus 2 into ab 3q into 1 3q into 1 plus 2ab finished 2 into a b finished plus b square b what 1 means 1 square. LHS as it is write down a square is equals to 3 into 3 9 q square plus 2 into 3 6 q plus 1 into 1 1 only. Now here we'll take common a square as it is write down. A square is equals to in this 3 is common, therefore we'll take 3 common. 3 we are taking common. 3 we are taking common means what will left? 3 is 9 means 3 q square plus 3 2 is 6 means 3 taking common means 2 will get here in this 2q. You want to check means check 3 is 9 q square. Okay, plus 3 2 6 q, close the bracket, plus 1. Now where k is equals to, you can write k1 k2 k3 or else in this place p also you can write, m also you can write. This total is equals to k 3q square plus 2q. Okay, k is equals to 3q square plus this total 3q square plus 2q, where k is a positive integer. A square is equals to 3 into this total value is equal to what? K I am taking k plus 1. What we should prove in the problem? Either 3p or 3p plus 1 square also. 3p first one came as a 3p, first one came like this 3k means k is a positive integer, no, means 3p model came. Now the second one all came 3p plus 1 like this came. Okay, 3k plus 1. When r is equals to 2, last value, when r is equals to 2, a is equals to 3q, a is equals to 3q, a is equals to 3q plus remainder r means what? 2. Okay, remainder is equals to 2. Now squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides. In exam point of view, don't write like this. You total write sentence total, squaring on both sides. Now a is equals to 3q plus 2. Okay, squaring on both sides. You can write like this also, equation 3 you can write like this, and also you can write the step squaring on both sides for equation 3, equation 2, equation 1, like that also you can write. Okay, squaring on both sides. Here we are squaring, and for RHS also we are squaring. Now LHS as it is write down, LHS as it is write. Now this RHS in the form of a plus b, just now I said a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now 3q plus 2. 3q plus 2. A means 3q, b means 2. Now we'll substitute in this RHS. A square means 3q square, 3q whole square plus 2ab. 2 first we'll write 2 into ab means a value means what? 3q, b means 2. ab 3q into 2, again this plus will write b square, b means what? 2 means 2 square. Okay, now a square is equals to 3 into 3 9 q square plus 2 3 6 6 2 12 q plus 2 into 2 4. Okay, now again a square is equals to 9 q square plus 12 q plus this 4 I am writing in 3 plus 1 terms also we can write now. Therefore I am writing 4 I am writing into 3 plus 1. Now in this total we can take 3 taking common. A square is equals to 3 taking common means what? 3 left. 3 3 is 9. 3q square in bracket. Again 3 taking common from this means 4. 3 4s 12. 4q plus 3 1s 3. In this 3 already we are taking outside. Means what left? 1 only. 3 1s 3. Now close the bracket plus 1. Where k is equals to this total value is equals to, we will take a k. Where k is equals to 3q square plus 4q plus 1, where k is any positive integer. Okay, a square is equals to 3 into this total value is equals to what? K. Okay, 3k plus 1. Okay, this total value is equals to k we are putting, where this total value is equals to k, no, k plus 1. A square is equals to 3k plus 1. Therefore square of any positive integer is in the form of 3p comma 3p plus 1. Okay, this is a k is a positive integer. No, k is a positive integer, p is also a positive integer, means 3p plus 1. First value came as a 3p, second one 3p plus 1, third equation also we got a 3p plus 1. Okay,